move in a little bit.
But I don't have a room over there.
No, this way.
Lean over this present.
Lean over the present line.
There you go.
There we go.
Now
Smile.
Smile. Look at
This
Aunt
way.
Jackie.
Thank you. Okay,
Okay.
Steve, why don't you open your present now?
Come on, now you can open the
Rip the
present.
paper.
I'll take the bulldog clip.
Okay.
You want that TV off?
Start
Steve?
here.
Or-
Can't you see it? Are you seeing it in there?
Big
We can move them down a little bit.
Oh, I can turn it off for a while. They're not going anywhere anyway.
Stevie, I rip it.
You rip it, that's all right.
Stevie can't do the top. Stevie can't do the
The top? Maybe he can.
He's got a real dude shirt on there with
you gotta
Yeah.
rip it.
white collar.
Give it a good pull, Stevie. That's it.
There you go, Steve.
Make a big body.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in the box, but let's see what's in the box.
Now you're getting
There
it.
you go,
There you
Steve.
go,
Let's see
Steve.
what's in the box.
Yeah. You gotta look at what's in the box.
Buddy. You gotta take all the paper off.
There, you're doing it real well now.
Voice of experience.
Yeah, Mike's helping.
I just was helping.
You're helping your brother real well.
I'm just helping.
He's having more fun with the paper than the...
I'm
No, get the kids. Don't get me.
Let's see what's in there. I get it out of there. I get it out of there.
Okay, there you go.
Now, can you open it? Mike's gonna have a lot of garbage to throw in.
Yeah, okay, now give him the box. Give him the box. Easy. Okay,
There, you let
Stevie.
Stevie open it.
See, let Stevie open the box now.
Big buddy.
He's a railroad engineer.
Hey.
Oh, is that cute?
Yes, he's there.
Buddy. Yeah, big buddy.
Look at a railroad bear and rail.
That's
This is
great.
With the Chessie System hat. Oh, is that
That's the big buddy. Yeah, now you
Let me see the animal, the stuffed animal. Oh, that looks
He's
cute.
a big bunny.
Oh,
Stevie says that he's
is
a
that
big
cute?
bunny.
Look, he's Steve. That's cute.
He's
I got a bandana too, Judy. That's still coming, honey.
And the overalls? What size
Here.
did you get?
3.
Good. That feels perfect.
Open it.
That's yours, Stevie. You can open
Open the
it.
card.
You open it, Steve.
That's
Okay. Let's see what you got. Oh, pretty sweater.
Oh, is
Oh,
that
what size
darling?
is this? 3T.
Stevie said
Oh,
this is
boy.
a big
big.
Does
bunny.
look
Oh,
big.
that's a teddy
It's
bear, not a
cute.
bunny. Yeah. You can take that to
This
sleep
is
with him today.
a bunny.
Look at that.
Is
That
this
is
a
darling,
teddy bear?
Jacqueline.
Is this a bunny? Is this a teddy bear?
He knows what
Teddy
it
bear.
is.
Stevie color.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Jackie.
Oh, that is so nice. Here, you want to put it there? Can you fit in there?
New bear food. Did you
Steve's got a hat, overall,
Yes.
just like the doll,
Boy.
just like the bear.
Stevie says this.
Very.
I don't think I've ever seen a kid quite so big.
Here.
Let me see big buddy.
He's got background knowledge too.
Let me see don't let any more on it.
One
Where
more
it goes,
piece
he knows
there.
who takes it. He
That's
knows
perfect. You got it all cleaned up now. Okay, where are you going, Stevie?
The bag
Oh,
in the
he's
car.
just smiling for
Let me
you.
check.
Yeah, he loves Kevin's voice.
Really?
First.
Hello, baby.
Because I definitely got it.
I don't remember seeing it.
Hi
That's why
there,
I'm
sugar
asking you.
plum.
Look in the
Hi,
cab.
sugar.
Look in the cab.
Say something, Kevin. See if he turns.
Dennis. Dad. How good turn this direction was.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do that.
Oh,
Boy.
oh, it's so cute. Oh, you can't really see it.
You think you said that?
Yeah, he probably stepped a little bit. Baby love.
Okay, there you go. There you go. It's better.
It's Teddy Bear Jones.
Take speed like that. Yeah, there you go. No, no, light.
For the same
I should've done it
family.
with